What's the meaning of chemical? Chemical. Chemical.
Chemical. Chemical. Chemical refers to any substance that has a distinct molecular composition and is produced through a chemical process. Chemicals can be found naturally or can be synthesized in a laboratory. They can have a wide range of physical and chemical properties and can be used for various purposes, including as building blocks for other materials, as fuel sources, and in manufacturing processes. When chemicals are used or released into the environment, they can have both beneficial and adverse effects on living organisms and ecosystems, depending on their properties and concentrations.